What's going on, guys? Chad here. Just want to give a quick update. We finally passed our electrical inspection. It wasn't as bad as I thought. We just had to get some bigger boxes for the gang boxes for the amount of wires that we have coming through. It's really difficult to wire earthships just because, you have limited spaces where you can put wires. Something to really keep in mind when you're building these. So we just the code allows for a certain number of wires to go through each box, and it's calculated just by cubic inches. And we just missed the boat by a few inches, so we just needed to get a little bit bigger boxes. The challenge really is I already ordered the glass, and we've had to modify some of the framing to fit all these wires in. And if you have can walls on the lateral part, the north-south walls, you really are going to get limited space, especially if you don't want to avoid running conduits. And so we actually are, I don't know if we're doing can walls or 2x4 walls. We really are not sure. So that's why you see all this spaghetti looking wires hanging from the ceiling. We're actually going to do two cavities if we do a can wall, so that there'll be a 2x4 wall in between each outlet, and that's why we're going back up into the ceiling, and then like a rainbow going down into the next cavity. And I figure, if you're building a can wall, it's permanent, so you're never going to be able to get into it. So I wanted to build a few cavities so that in the future, if you ever wanted to drop in something from the ceiling, it'd be really a lot easier than having a can wall. You'd have to run like outside conduit or something, which could be a mess. So anyways, we passed electrical inspection. We're going to move on to plastic this ceiling. We sprayed the ceiling for mold. We've had some condensation because this building is so humid, and we can't vent it. So we've been having condensation come in at the soffit and on both sides, with a little bit of mold growing. So we've killed the mold now and are going to plastic this thing so we can drop the humidity down, and hopefully we can vent this thing in a little bit here. Anyways, thanks. Take care.